and it's gonna be a good day today. Open House 2022. Out here at the RV Hall of Fame, looking at some of the new stuff. Come on out, check it out with me. I'm Jay Jessup with Highland Ridge RV. This is my wife Susie. These are our kids. This is our old house, and this is our new one. We're full-time RVers. Our home base is in Tennessee, just north of Nashville. We had a 21 Mesa Ridge, but now we have a 2022 Open Range 395 BHS. Yes, we've been through floods and some snowstorms. The holidays are fantastic. I tell you what, we're not turning back. We love it. Not hard to find the display. We're straight in from this the building hangout area where everybody eats, and come on over, check it out.